I'm Keith Walker.
And I'm Marita Lahijanyan.
And we're excited to share this truly ideal property with you.
This 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home will captivate you with a versatile layout, vaulted ceilings, and abundant natural light streaming throughout the house. Let's take a look around. Join me in the backyard and enjoy these peaceful views as you step into a private oasis featuring an inviting deck, cozy sitting areas, and a generously sized pool and a charming gazebo. Perfect for soaking up the sun and hosting unforgettable gatherings. Additionally, the property boasts of 16 various fruit trees, creating your own delightful orchard.
Don't miss the separate ADU, complete with its own entrance, full bathroom, and kitchenette. The possibilities are endless, envisioning this space as a peaceful retreat, a dedicated office, or a workout space.
Of course, the location is top-notch, ideally located just 1 mile from top schools like Rolling Hills Middle School and less than a 10-minute drive to historic downtown Los Gatos, known for the boutique shops and fine dining. With highways 85 and 17, Netflix headquarters, shopping centers, the Bay Club, and Riconada Country Club, all just minutes away. Convenience is truly at your doorsteps.
Experience the finest in living with this beautiful home.
Reach out to me to schedule your private tour today.
Thank you.